What the fuck? Son of a bitch. Arms set. There we go. Okay, let's get this show on the road, fucker. Oh yeah, it's first person, yeah. I'm gonna be shooting some real shit this time. Oh, not this, because that would actually explode. And plus, I need it. In case of emergencies. There's my glass bottle left. Need some bio spray. Oh, this is a really nice one. Need something to shoot. Alright, I have a genius idea. I'm gonna put it on the plate. See, I'm gonna put it on the plate. Those fragments won't go everywhere. Okay. See, here's a nice the plate. Okay. See, here I am. And here's my gun. Yeah, shooting. Sweet. Yes. He's so sweet. Anyway, if I can get right here on my face. Okay. For a lot instant. And letting this on fire. Okay. Here we go. Missed. Damn it. Fucker. Got it. See, I only took 6 shots.